What is common between your smartphone, your car, and almost everything in between? Microchips. Chips literally power the world. What will happen if there is a shortage? We saw a trailer right after the pandemic, and the government wants to put a plug on the movie with a massive $6.75 billion investment. How? Let's explore! Welcome to Digitrends Daily. Today, we're diving into the US government's massive investment in semiconductor manufacturing. How companies like Samsung, Texas Instruments, and Amkor will benefit, and what it means for the devices you use every day. Let's break it down. The US is turbocharging its domestic chip manufacturing industry to compete globally. It's a bold move to ensure the United States remains a global leader in technology and prevent supply chain disasters like we've seen in recent years. Companies like Samsung, Texas Instruments, and Amkor are getting a slice of this $6.75 billion grant to ramp up domestic chip production. Remember those chip shortages that made getting a PlayStation 5 feel like winning the lottery? Or the months-long delays for new car models? Not anymore. This $6.75 billion grant aims to build state-of-the-art facilities in the US and bring chip production closer to home. Let's talk about the companies behind this initiative. How will they benefit? Massive savings. Building chip factories isn't cheap, it costs billions. This funding helps offset those costs, allowing these companies to focus on cutting-edge tech. A competitive edge? By producing chips domestically, they reduce reliance on overseas supply chains, enabling faster delivery and a stronger foothold in the global market. A partner in innovation. Partnering with the US government guarantees long-term support and opens doors for future advancements. They're not just meeting today's demands, they're paving the way for tomorrow's tech breakthroughs. But let's talk about you, the tech enthusiast. What does it mean for you? We could see faster development cycles if design and fabrication were handled domestically. Whether it's the latest smartphone or an advanced gaming console, you won't have to wait months for it to hit the shelves. Cutting-edge performance. These new chips are designed to power AI, gaming, and high-speed connectivity, making your gadgets faster, smarter, and more efficient. More value for your money. As production scales and supply chains stabilize, the tech you love might even become more affordable. Why are chips such a big deal? Because they're the brains behind almost every piece of technology you use. Without them, there's no artificial intelligence, no electric cars, no smart homes. And as tech becomes more advanced, the need for powerful chips grows exponentially. This isn't just about convenience, it's about competition. The US wants to reduce reliance on overseas production, especially as tensions with China impact global trade. This investment isn't just for your gadgets. It's about securing technological dominance in a world where chips are the new oil. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Building factories in the US is costly, and environmental concerns loom large. Chip manufacturing requires massive energy and water resources. Will these companies strike the right balance between innovation and sustainability? These chips aren't just powering today's tech, they're laying the foundation for the future. With chip production in the US, more tech manufacturing might follow suit. This could build a tech ecosystem in the US and speed up innovation. This $6.75 billion isn't just an investment in chips, it's an investment in the future of technology. But will it be enough to meet skyrocketing demand and address global competition? Only time will tell. So what do you think? Can this funding secure the tech industry's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights on Digitrends Daily.